Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can play Please Donate Roblox on PC. So I went to roblox.com, which is the official website of Roblox, but you can also play this using the downloaded app version. The interface is going to be the same, so don't worry about it. So after going to roblox.com, at the top where it says search, you just need to search for PLSDONATE donate. Once you search for it, it's going to show you the game called Please Donate. So wait for some time, and as you guys can see, there's tons of Please Donate game. But this is the main game as it is really big. So in order to play it, you can just click on this little button over here and it's going to open up for you guys. Once it opens up for you, you can start playing it. So I cannot play this game on the website. I need to play it on the app. So I need to click on download and install Roblox. So my Roblox has just downloaded. Now I will install it. Now after you install Roblox, just open Roblox. Now from over here, you need to log in into your Roblox account. So I will click on login to do that. So as you guys can see, I have logged in into my Roblox account. Now I can just click on search again and search for Please Donate over here. And after I search for Please Donate over here, I need to click on the bigger one over here. And I should be able to play this game. Now I can just click on this little green button and my game should open up now. Once the game opens up, I can start playing it. It's as simple as that. So that's how we guys can play Please Donate game on Roblox on PC. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel, how to guide for future videos like this. Bye bye.